How to add a navigate home routine on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Now in the settings page, we then scroll down and then tap on modes and routines. After that, tap on the routines tab. Now tap on the discover button at the top, right here, the circle. Then tap on all routines. Next, we go down and then tap on navigate home. And here it said that if and then start manually when start button or widget is tapped. And then it's a open an app to do an app action. So here in maps it will set to home. After that, you can tap on save and then tap on the back key. Now the routine has been added to your mods and routines page. And from here, you can tap on the play button or the start button to start the routine. Alternatively, you can also add this routine to your home screen. So let's say if I go back to my home screen here, I can touch and hold on the home screen, then tap on widgets. Then we scroll down and then tap on mods and routines. And here, tap on single routine, tap on add. And then I'm going to drag it to my preferred home screen page. I'll drop it here, then touch and hold, and then tap on settings. In here, tap on routines, and then select navigate home, and then tap on save. You can also choose your background color of your routine, change the transparency. So we can set to 0 transparency, in which case the background color doesn't really matter. And then tap on saved. And that's it. So we have now created a widget on the home screen. And once you tap on this routine, you should be able to start the map to automatically give you directions to home. So just tap on that and the map will start. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.